Still struggling with complex navigation in SwiftUI? You're doing it the hard way. Learn how the coordinator pattern makes it easy with Async, Await, and MVVM. The app we will create will enable the user to navigate to different views using the coordinator pattern as seen on the screen. If I click on the Show Users button, it will populate the list with the user's payload. If I click on Show Products, it populates the list with the product's payload. Clicking on Orders, it populates the list with the orders payload. So this is the app feature that we will create in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will create our show product list and our show orders list button. So similar to what we've done in the previous tutorial, we can copy the lines between 32 and 49. And paste the button. This button is for product list. So we need to change a few of the elements, such as the system name image. This will be cart.fill, and the method we need to call on the coordinator is show product list. And for the text element, this should be show products. The color should be green. And what else do we need? Corner radius is 10, which is already there. And then we need to paste our final button, which is the show orders list. Show order list. For the system image, that should be bag.fill. Foreground color is white, title is 2. The text element for the caption should be show orders, headline, full color white, leading is 10. Then the padding, the frame, got infinity, color, orange. And then what we need to do is to create a horizontal padding for the entire V stack containing the buttons. So we type the following: padding dot horizontal Next thing we need to do is to add a flexible space to push the content towards the bottom. So we add a spacer. The next thing we need to do is to display the current view managed by the coordinator. So we type the following: coordinator dot current view. And then we need to add our navigation bar title, display mode of inline. Navigation title equals main menu. And for the background color, which is grey, opacity is 0.1. I had to restart Xcode because the previews weren't working properly. So yeah, this is the actual layout of the UI. So if I click on show users, it shows the users. Click on show products, it gets the products. Show orders, and it gets the orders. And this is all done using the coordinator pattern with async and await. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.